Back to Lifeman here, and today I wanted to talk to you about some real life case scenarios that I've encountered with people who have, I wouldn't necessarily call them high risk insurance candidates, but let's say they're borderline, whether it be borderline cholesterol, borderline blood pressure, borderline diabetes, maybe their hemoglobins are a little bit out of whack. And so what I recommend doing is talking to me. I am a high-risk insurance specialist. I can tell you just from one of the clients that I was speaking to today, I was able to pretty much secure her a standard rate when everybody else was giving her a rating. Now, there are certain companies that will give you a favorable discount, although it's not very advertised, and basically as long as you meet the criteria of the amount of coverage that you're applying for and if you're under a certain age. So that's something to really pay attention to. If you're ever worried about your health, you're worried that maybe there could be an issue with your blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes, or anything for that matter. It could even be a lifestyle issue. Maybe you smoke pot on the weekend. Maybe you're a smoker and you're worried that that for whatever reason you're going to get declined. It doesn't matter. People do have a lot of irrational thoughts when it comes to applying for life insurance, and so they do what they shouldn't do is they just don't do anything, and that's actually a big mistake. So if you do have any issues that are that are spinning around in your mind that's preventing you from getting life insurance, I would urge you to just give me a call. I'm a pretty open guy. You can call me anytime, and we can go over the scenarios and I can give you the best advice. And what I like to do for my clients, which I think is very helpful, and it helps them out mentally as well, is I always like to do what's called a general inquiry. So I'd like to, if there is a need for it, of course. So what I do normally is if somebody has a health issue, I'll take down all their info and I'll basically either call the underwriter up directly, or I will email a variety of different companies with that information, which doesn't include their name or phone number or any information like that for that matter. And that way it stays confidential, but I can get a very, very good idea if that person will get approved or not. So just want to say my door is always open. You can always reach me at jack@lifeman.ca. Also, one thing that I'm told is very, very helpful for all my clients is I have an ebook called The Naked Truth About Insurance. It takes you step by step into getting insurance coverage, and also takes you through all the crazy scenarios that you're probably thinking about. I talk about them, and I actually go over them in a very simple to understand, easy to understand way. So you can just get that book right from lifeman.ca. So thanks for joining me today. Hope this video was helpful, and talk to you soon. Take care.